It's me, Elapsal Place here, and I was going to record with one of my friends, but I had to eat dinner, and now she's gone. This is one of my favorite buddies. Oh my goodness, I love her username. But, oops. Pinky Pets. Why Cats fan. Boring usernames like that, so... Yay! Yay. So... I'm going to be trading. Let's see here. Recording, trade me. I don't even know what I have on trade. Well, I am recording, but what do I... Oh, it's the giveaway item. Who would have known? Please like this fabulous art on trade. Oh, okay. So guys, someone just said Animal Jam rocks. I'm gonna just shout out to them. Shout out to Hey Person 2282. Yeah. So Sand. Sad Maki. I love that. Oh, there's some really good art on trade. Trade me Pink Logan. Trade me Pink Logan. Oh, okay, I'll trade you a Pink Logan. I don't have a Pink Logan. What's a Pink Logan? Oh my. Add to that trade. Why, my chair. So yeah. Oh, thanks. Oh, okay. You've ruined my life. I don't know why that ruined. Whoa. Playtime 24. I love that username. That's cute. Ooh, I want that. I really want that, actually. So maybe our custom top hat. That's what I'm trying to say. 1,000 likes. Cool face. Support. Thanks for the support is probably what they said. I have no idea what. Ow, that really hurt. Ow, I just banged my knee against something really sharp. I've been here for like 5 minutes now, and they haven't accepted, so I guess I'm gonna have to decline. Sorry. If you're watching this video, you should have known better. There's a Chara. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's adorable, Chara. Shout out to Chara 1011. Ow! Oh my goodness, that hurt. I need to stop moving my chair. Ow! What? Ow. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Just things that hurt me. Let's see what we have here. So. We got some betas. Yeah, no, I don't think I have enough to afford a beta. Yeah, a beta. That's what they call it. I meant beta. I meant beta. Oh, I'm so sorry. I really don't want anything that's on your list. Sorry, Golden Flores. Oh, it's a long rest. Let's not trade. Doing our missions, examples on trade. Jag, if yes. Basic. Oh, I love that so much. I can't. Oh. That just looks so cool. Your art pride. OMG, I need to do, I don't know why I said, Okay, I'll make you some art. Okay, I will make you some art. Let's see what they say. I'll pause it and I'll be back to you when if they say something back. So this person just said, "My lists were long, an ad." Tell me if you think this is fair in the comments. I know this is my third video today. Oh, someone just jagged me. Oh, I meant I was doing art. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. So this is like what I'm saying, this is the third video of today. So I will give out some of the coolest stuff for today. Yeah, so the coolest thing for today is this tie right here. I'm going to give away this tie. I just got this really good trade, but I can't take it. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I can't. Okay. Well, let's get back to the giveaway. So the giveaway thing is, I know it's not big, but I'm going to give away this mannequin. And next week. Why do I keep saying next week? Next time I make a video, I am going to do something really cool for a giveaway. I have something that's actually going to be 2 items. So every day, like this is the first day I did a giveaway, so I only did one thing each video I did. So every day it levels up like the daily spin, but then it runs out at 3. And then it goes back to 1, then 2, then 3. So that's what I'm doing with the giveaway. So giving away this mannequin right here. Not the outfit, but the mannequin. So, oh, wait 1 second. I just unplugged my whole thing. Okay, there it should be. Is it? Wait, let me see. Is it? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. So, I don't know. I just did like this really weird thing. Trade me. I'll look at our trade really quickly, and I'll tell you what I think is cool. So I couldn't click on the person that was saying trade me. So I clicked on this new gem. I was like, OMG. Ooh, we have some really good items. And I was like, oh, I need this chair. So here I am trading for this. I don't know what this is worth exactly. So I'm just going to trade on a 2018 banner and see if they accept. Okay. Now I can click her. Oh, yes. You already look like, oh, yes, I want to be your buddy. Oh. No. That's just, no. Why me? Okay. I don't know why I'm saying so much. But I am. I think I only said that twice in this video. I don't know. I'm really weird. So, whoa. That is oh, I need this TV. I'm sorry. I need this TV. Search traffic cone for your awesome TV. So my non-member thing for your, oh, I am not good enough for you. No, you can't. Oh, that was like my old look. Oh my god. Oh my day. Randomly says in the middle of Jamal Township. I don't know what I'm doing. That's literally, oh, it's not my, I mean, it was my main red look, but I traded my, oh my goodness, I can't believe it did that. Oh, I traded my red spike. They didn't mean to accept, and something really bad happened. So, yeah. I got a blue long collar. I was tired, and as I am right now, I'm just sleepy. masterpiece. Oh, I'll go check out your masterpieces. Oh, this is cute. Oh, that's really good. That's like really incredibly good. That's really, oh, I need that. I want some of these things so bad. I had it. Oh, goodness. Oh, okay. I can't read that. I'm sorry. Oh, it says transform mice. Never mind. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, it's a party. Oh, that's really good. Like, that's really, really good. Like, you're really... Oh, that's so cute. I love Warrior Cats. Like, not even kidding. It's like my favorite book street ever. I feel like you have... Oh, yeah. That's some nice stuff. Bulbasaur, Umbreon, Jumpy, and Leafy. That's cute. I'm sorry. That's so adorable. Oh, that's really good, Bulbasaur. Oh, didn't need to click that. You are really good at art. Like, really incredible. Oh, is that a... Oh, I know what that is. It's, what's it called? Dragon City. That's what it's called. It's called Dragon City. That's what that's from. Wow. Wow. I'm recording your awesome mess. Oops. I don't even know if this is typing. No, it's not. So I'm going to say, I'm recording your awesome masterpieces. Exclamation point. Oh, they're gone. Oh. Oh, yeah. I forget. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. I totally forgot. So, I think I'm gonna end it here. So, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Today's 3 videos. If you haven't watched those, go check them out. 1 second. Oh, I'll just end it here. I don't care. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like, comment, and subscribe if you like, comment your username, and subscribe. Win this mannequin. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Bye.